In this video, we are going to use JavaScript to create a slideshow. Now here I have a little window with pictures of a townhouse, and when I click on the next button, it goes to the next picture. And when it gets to the end, it goes to the first picture. And when I click on previous, if it's at the beginning, it goes to the last picture. Now let's look at how we coded that. Now first of all, where our documents are saved here, we have these images. We have Townhouse 1, Townhouse 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are all the images and the names of the images in our slideshow. So in our code, when we click on the next and the previous button, it calls the show next pic or the show previous pic. When the page is first loaded, we initialize this variable cur_image to 1. So it starts the slideshow out at the first image. When we call next, first thing it does is it increments image, adds 1 to the cur_image. So now cur_image is 2. Then it looks in this if statement, it does a quick test to see if cur_image is now 6. If it's 6, that means that it is higher than our last image. If that's the case, it resets cur_image to 1 to start at the first picture. Otherwise, it goes right down to this document, .images, and accesses that document image array, that first image here, because we're at index location 0, and resets its source to equal townhouse plus the cur_image that we're on, number 2.jpg. So it resets that source to that new file name. Now if we click previous, what it does is it subtracts 1 from our current image. So if our cur_image is now equal to 0, well, there's no townhouse 0 JPEG. It means we've gone past the first image. Now we got to go back to the last to begin again. So it resets cur_image to 5. Otherwise, it goes down to this document and sets the images 0, that first image, to townhouse 5 or wherever we're at, .jpg. And it resets the image. And that is how to create a slideshow using JavaScript.